नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे। जसे की आपण क्लास 10th मधील क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केलेला आहे आणि त्यामध्ये आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड अँड फॉर्म्युला मेथड हा सर्व पोर्शन कंप्लीट केलेला आहे। देन टुडे वी कॅन सी the nature of roots of quadratic equation. The new concept as nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now you know that the x equal to minus b, that is plus minus b square minus 2ac divided by 2a is the formula for quadratic equation. Are roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, this is the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And this equation we can solve the formula x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ax square plus bx plus c या समीकरणाचे रूट काढण्यासाठी आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला होता x इक्वल टू मायनस बी प्लस मायनस बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac डिवाइड बाय 2a. Then the nature of root is the first one. Now the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then roots are real and equals. If p square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Now the second condition, the b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Then the third condition, now b square minus 4ac less than 0, then roots are not real. The roots are not real. That is, if you can say that not root of quadratic equation. You know that the b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. b square minus 4ac greater than 0. The roots are real and unequal. Now b square minus 4ac less than 0. Then roots are not real. In simple way, then delta is discriminant of quadratic equation and its value is now delta equal to b square minus 4ac. In the simple way, the delta equal to 0, the roots are real and unequal, real and equal. Now second, delta equal to value, जर आंसर प्लस मध्ये आलं तर रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल. and delta equal to minus, आन्सर जर मायनस मध्ये आला तर रूट्स आर नॉट रियल. हे कन्सेप्ट आहे. तर आपण यावरचे काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहणार आहोत. देन तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ स्टॉप करून त्याची स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घेऊ शकता. Now the second one is another concept, some examples. The find the value of discriminant of the equation. Now find the value of the discriminant of the find the value of discriminant of the equation of the equation. Now the first equation, the equation is x square plus 10x minus 7. Now that is x square plus 10x minus 7 equal to 0. Now the first we can write as it is, x square minus x square plus 10x minus 7 equal to 0. Now we can equate ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now answer a equal to 1, b equal to 10 and c equal to minus 7. The value of discriminant. Now discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to, that is b square 10 square minus 4a and c. Therefore 10 square 100, that is minus minus plus, 7 ones are 7, 7 fourths are 28. The answer will be 128. Now the second is, this is the value of discriminant of quadratic equation. Then another examples. Then another example is determine the nature of roots. Now determine the nature of roots. Determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Of the quadratic equation. The first example is, now the 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now the 2x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Now we can equate ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The value of a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 7. Therefore the discriminant value is b square minus 4ac is equal to, that is b square yani minus 5 square minus 4a and c, that is minus 5 square 25. Now minus 4 as it is 7 to 14. Now 25 minus 14 fourths are 56. Now subtract 6 minus 5, that is 1. 5 minus 2 and 31. The answer will be minus 31. Therefore b square minus 4ac less than 0. The b square minus 4ac less than 0. The roots are not real. The roots are not real. Now we can see another examples. Now we can see the another examples. Then another example is x square plus 2x minus 9. Now example number B, that is x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is, that x square plus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Now we can compare the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 9. Therefore the value b square minus 4ac The b square is 2 square minus 4ac, that is 2 square, 4 minus minus plus, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, that is 36 plus 4, and it 40. Therefore, answer will be b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Now another way is now the second. Another example is now another is new concept. The new concept is the relation between of the quadratic equation and its coefficient. Now the another concept is the relation between of the quadratic equation of the quadratic equation and coefficient. Now we can see the another concept, the relation between of the quadratic equation and its coefficient. Then let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then the first we can know the sum of root. Now the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to the alpha and beta are the roots. The sum of root is minus b by a. The second is product of root. Now the product of roots, that is alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now this is the value of sum of root minus b by a and product of root c by a. Then we can solve some examples. The sum of root is minus b by a and product of root is c by a. Now find the sum of roots and product of roots. The examples: find the sum of root, that is alpha plus beta, and product of root alpha dot beta. Now the first example is 10x square plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. The 10x square plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is. The 10x square plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this equation, as compare the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 10, b equal to 10 and c equal to 1. The first upon sum of root. Now the sum of roots, therefore alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Therefore minus, as it is, the value of b is 10 and the value of a is 10. Now 10 ones are 10. That is the sum of root alpha plus beta equal to minus 1. The second is product of root. That is product of root alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now value of c is 1 and value of a is 10. The answer will be 1 by 10. This is sum of root and product of root. Then another concept has another concept to obtain a quadratic equation. Now another one example has, now example number 2, another example. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5, 2x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. Then find the first one alpha plus beta and second alpha minus beta. That's alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. Now first we can write the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. Now therefore equating ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 2, b equal to 6 and c equal to minus 5. Now first we can the sum of root, that is sum of root, the alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus b and 6, a and 2, minus 3, that is 2 3s are 6. Now second as product of root, alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now the value of c is minus 5 and a is 2. The answer will be minus 5 by 2. Now this is sum of root and product of root. Then we can see the next concept to obtain a quadratic equation having given root. Now the next concept is to obtain a quadratic equation having given root. Given roots. Now therefore let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now therefore the x equal to alpha and x equal to beta. Therefore the x minus alpha equal to 0 and x minus beta equal to 0. Therefore now x minus alpha and x minus beta equal to 0. Now we can solve this bracket. X, now the second bracket, x minus beta, that is minus alpha. Now second bracket, x minus beta equal to 0. Therefore x into x square minus beta x, that is minus alpha x, minus plus, that is alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now therefore x square we can common. Now we can common the value of minus, that is alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now this is the roots of quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation having root alpha and beta, and this is the product of, this is the sum of root, and this is the product of roots. Now we can solve some examples. Some examples of quadratic equations are, then now we can solve some examples. Now therefore, the first, obtain the quadratic equation if the roots are. Now the question, obtain the quadratic equation the roots are -3 and -7. The roots are -3 and -7. Okay. Now therefore, let alpha and beta be the roots of equation. Then therefore alpha equal to -3 and beta equal to -7. The first we can write the sum of root. Sum of root is alpha plus beta is equal to the value of alpha plus 3 plus value of beta -7. The answer will be -3 -7. Answer will be -10. Now second, product of root. The product of root is alpha dot beta. Alpha is -3 and beta is -7, minus plus 21. Now the quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now x square minus the alpha plus beta is -10, x plus the alpha dot beta is 21. Now x square minus plus 10 is plus 21 equal to 0. Now this is the required quadratic equation. Now the another example as we can see the another examples. आपण सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स 2.5 मध्ये पाहणार आहोत. हे 2.5 साठी लागणारे सर्व बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आहे. यामध्ये काय आपण फॉर्म्युले पाहणार आहोत. तर ते फॉर्म्युले फर्स्ट अपॉन आहे. फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला, नाउ अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर. Now alpha square plus beta square equal to, that is alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha dot beta. Second is alpha cube plus beta cube. Now the alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha dot beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now third is alpha minus beta its square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 4 alpha dot beta. And fourth formula, the alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. And fifth formula, the alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now this is very important formula. We can solve the practice set 2.5. Now we can read alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha dot beta. Now alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha dot beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now third, alpha minus beta its square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 4 alpha dot beta. Now alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is sum of root and this is product of root. Now we can prove this formula. Then first, the alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha beta. Now proof. Now let a plus b its square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we know that this formula a plus b its square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now therefore, now consider that is a equal to alpha and b equal to beta. Now therefore, this is alpha plus beta its square equal to, that is alpha square 2 alpha beta, that is plus beta square. Now the alpha plus beta its square equal to, now this quantity is 2 alpha beta plus बरोबर I equal to minus होना, minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Now the formula alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha beta. एक्झाम मध्ये हा प्रूफ 2 मार्काला विचारू शकतोय. अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा इट्स स्क्वेअर minus 2 alpha dot beta. Then another proof is the alpha cube plus beta cube. Now seconds, the alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket यानी alpha plus beta. Now we know that a plus b its cube equal to, now a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now the a plus b its cube equal to, that is a cube plus, we can common the 3ab. Now this position a, this position b. Now answer will be b cube. Now we can minus and we can see the concept minus, then we can find value. No. Okay. Now a plus b its cube equal to, now this quantity 3ab, that is plus equal to minus होना, that is 3ab bracket a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now the formula will be a cube plus b cube equal to first upon a plus b its cube minus 3ab and bracket a plus b. Now we can replace. Now a equal to, now a equal to alpha and b equal to beta. Therefore now a alpha cube b beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha dot beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now we can see the proof of alpha cube plus beta cube. Now another one formula has formula. Now 3. Now the a minus b its cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now therefore the a minus b its cube equal to, first we can write, that is a cube minus 3ab common. Now this position minus 3ab common, bracket a minus b and minus b cube. Now therefore the a minus b its cube is equal to a cube, that is minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Now this quantity, that is minus 3ab minus इकडे येऊन प्लस होणार. Now a minus b its cube plus 3ab bracket a minus b is equal to a cube minus b cube. Now the simple formula is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b its cube plus 3ab bracket a minus b. Now we can replace, now let a equal to alpha and b equal to beta. Therefore the alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha minus beta its cube plus 3 alpha dot beta bracket alpha minus beta. Now this is the alpha cube minus beta cube. The alpha cube minus beta cube equal to alpha minus beta its cube plus 3 alpha dot beta and bracket alpha minus beta. Then we can see the 4 formulae with proof. Then the 4 formulae hands, which are, the first we can see, the first, now the alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha dot beta. Now the second, the alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha beta and bracket alpha plus beta. Now third, the alpha cube minus beta cube is equal to alpha minus beta its cube plus 3 alpha beta and bracket alpha minus beta. Now we can see alpha cube plus beta cube. तर या ठिकाणी पण प्लस, या ठिकाणी पण प्लस. Then alpha cube minus beta cube, या ठिकाणी पण माइनस and या ठिकाणी पण माइनस. Then fourth one formula, this is very simple. Then alpha minus beta its square equal to alpha plus beta its square, that is minus 4 alpha beta. And the fifth, that is the sum of root alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And 6, the product of root alpha dot beta equal to c by a. And 7, the quadratic equation having roots alpha and beta are. Now the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x, therefore alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now this is very important 7th formula, and this formula use we can solve the practice set 2.5. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल तर या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा, कमेंट करा आणि शेअर करा. आणि तुम्हाला कोणत्या चॅप्टरवर व्हिडिओ पाहिजे ते आम्हाला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कळवा आणि त्यावर तुम्हाला लगेच व्हिडिओ सेंड करू. धन्यवाद.